In any urban neighborhood, Google displays only 3 local businesses at the very top of its search results. Barely 7.5% of users ever click the button to see more. Building a website and waiting for customers to find it relies on the same logic as playing a slot machine. The odds are statistically stacked toward online invisibility. Overcoming those odds requires 2 specific protocols. The Get Found strategy aligns your content with search engine preferences, while the Get Growing strategy automates customer referral loops. Executing both effectively depends on an all-the-sevens approach, integrating 7 specific free AI platforms to handle every stage of visibility and growth. By adopting this toolkit, businesses move from hope-based marketing to a structured strategy designed to trigger specific search and referral signals. The first layer of the strategy is Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. This is the practice of structuring content specifically so AI search tools can ingest and display it as a direct answer to a user's question. ChatGPT Free serves as the starting point for AEO. Its natural language capabilities make it highly effective for drafting conversational FAQs, such as a bakery outlining its custom order process. For service providers like physiotherapy clinics, Claude Free offers a different advantage. It specializes in nuanced, human-sounding copy that maintains a professional and empathetic tone in customer communications. Neither tool guarantees factual accuracy on its own. Perplexity acts as a validation layer, instantly gathering citation-rich sources from across the web to verify the claims made in your drafts. Building audience trust requires more than just generating text. Success in AEO comes from matching the right AI personality to the specific task and ensuring every answer is backed by verified data. Beyond simple answers, a business must establish its depth. Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, is the process of creating sourced, data-rich content that provides the depth AI search engines require to verify local expertise. Copilot Free handles these complex tasks. It processes multi-part prompts and retrieves live web citations simultaneously, allowing a business to produce accurate, researched reports on local market trends. For organizations already using Google's suite of tools, Gemini Free offers a high-speed multimodal processor capable of summarizing large volumes of internal data in seconds. Gemini integrates directly with your existing workflow, allowing you to export AI-generated content straight into Google Docs or your Google Business Profile without extra steps. Moving from basic chat to live-cited reports provides the objective signals search engines look for when verifying a business as a credible local resource. Even the best writing needs technical help to be discovered. AI search engines rely on schema markup, a hidden code structure that helps algorithms categorize and index the information on a web page. Gemma 4 is a specialized tool for this backend work. It runs locally on your own hardware, providing a private environment to generate schema-compliant HTML without sending sensitive data to the cloud. Once the technical foundation is set, the strategy shifts to reaching a wider audience. Notebook LM serves as the primary engine for multimedia amplification. Notebook LM ingests static reports or service guides and transforms them into highly shareable assets, including infographics and YouTube-ready audio summaries. This workflow allows local businesses to manage technical web structures and multimedia content internally, removing the need for specialized technical staff or external agency budgets. Integrating these tools into a continuous production pipeline scales their utility into a unified content engine. The process is a relay. Perplexity gathers the facts, Copilot builds the report, Claude refines the language, and Gemma provides the schema markup to make it search-ready. The final stage uses Notebook LM and Gemini to distribute these assets across YouTube and Drive, ensuring your content is amplified through every major Google search and social channel. Implementing this integrated pipeline provides the specific alignment required for the algorithm's reels to lock into place. Local visibility is a result of using the right tools in the right order. By stacking these 7 platforms, any business can build a reliable path to digital